Hey guys, Lazy Money UK here, helping you make some extra money from home. I just won £50 on Prolific. It's definitely time to cash out now. The money always arrives in my PayPal account immediately. You might be wondering how I won money on Prolific when it's not a gambling website. It's actually a site where you participate in academic research, mostly psychology studies. However, researchers want your behavior to be as close to real life as possible, so they often use bonus payments to add weight to the choices you make and ensure that you take the study seriously. The particular study I completed was on the topic of deferred gratification. It tested to see if participants would forfeit a small reward to avoid having to wait for lottery results to be announced. It just so happened that I won the lottery that was used in the study. I didn't believe it was real at first until the money arrived in my account. Now obviously, you're not always going to get a huge bonus payment for every study you complete. Prolific is very fair when it comes to compensating participants though, and you'll often find studies which pay over £6 for less than an hour's effort. This is what makes Prolific one of the most important sites in my lazy money making strategy. If you want to earn money on Prolific, I strongly recommend installing the Prolific Assistant Toolbar app. This will notify you as soon as new studies are posted, so you don't have to check manually. The studies always fill up fast, but you'll at least catch some of them if you get the heads up. Thanks for tuning in to Lazy Money UK. Like and subscribe if you enjoy this content, and I'll see you again soon with some more lazy money making tips.